Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here.
Now that the kids are back in school, it's time to get back to some routines, and that includes some healthier eating habits. Hi, Angie, what are you cooking?
What's cooking?
Well, I have quick, easy ground beef meals. Perfect for this time of year. Like you said, we're getting back into school. The kids are stressed. I like making recipes now, especially when the kids were younger, something that I know they will really enjoy because they've had a long, stressful, mentally, physically long day. I don't want to fight for dinner, so...
Make them what they want to eat.
Exactly, make them what they want to eat. I'll make them happy. So this is a recipe called taco beef nuggets, and it's actually an older Chekhov recipe, and it used to be my kids' favorite when they were younger. They still like it, but back when they were younger, and they would help me make it in the kitchen. So I kind of take meatballs and add in some taco seasoning, a small can of mild green chilies, and mix that in with your 1 pound of lean ground beef, and then wrap the meatballs around some cheese. So I've just been buying cheese sticks and cutting it into fours and putting that in the middle, and then roll them in egg white and then Doritos. So like whatever the Dorito chips are, cheese flavored tortilla chips or whatever, and then bake them. 15 minutes in the oven.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. So, you know, very super easy. Kids can definitely help make the meatballs. It'd be perfect for a weekend too, or even an after dinner snack.
Just a little taco sauce.
Packer game, kind of handheld food we love. Yeah, super kind of comfort food at the best.
Yeah,
you know?
sounds great.
Then I have lasagna, but I made it a little easier. I made it in one pot.
Oh, I love it.
Right. It's not the layered kind.
No, I love that. But this is our 1 pot lasagna. So I started with 1 pound of lean ground beef, just sauteed that up, and I actually got some zucchini in here. I got a whole medium zucchini chopped up in here.
Your kids will never know. Sneak it in there.
If you need a use for zucchini this time of year,
they're plentiful.
Throw it in, and then like 1 jar of spaghetti sauce, and then kind of just let that simmer 5-10 minutes, and then dollop in ricotta cheese. So just kind of literally put the dollops right in your sauce, put a lid on, and then bake it in the oven.
So
about 15 minutes.
What is the pasta?
Bow tie pasta.
And that
buffalo. That cooks right in here.
Oh, so you don't cook it first?
Don't cook it first. That'd be getting another pot.
Yeah, right. That's 2 pots.
So then top with some shredded mozzarella, some fresh basil. I think it says 50 minutes. I don't think it'll take 50 minutes. Not at all. So, because you only bake it about 10 minutes, and after you brown up the ground beef,
that looks delicious.
Yeah. So 1 pot pasta lasagna. Everybody will love. Serve with a little salad, a little crusty bread. You got dinner done, super easy. Beeftips.com is our website. Of course, click on As Seen on TV. Got links to all of our ground beef recipes, our under 30-minute meals, 5 ingredients or less, all that stuff. Economical meals, all the kind of stuff we're thinking about right now to make it super easy.
And make a little extra lasagna because it's usually better the next day.
Definitely.
And you can freeze it.
You can freeze
for later.
Yes,
yeah,
definitely.
good stuff.
Great recipes. Angie, thank you.
Thanks, Angie. Good to see you.
Enjoy fall.